In this video, I'm going to show you how to force rust a golf club. If you're new to the channel, this is a DIY golf club restoration channel, and one of the chapters in my book, I talk about raw finishes like a black oxide, a brown oxide, or like a torched oil can finish. But one of my favorite raw finishes is just a forced rust finish, and that gives it that warm, weathered, sort of battle-scarred look. And if you pair that with the right ferrule, you got a really sexy iron. Now the good news is it only takes a second for this reaction to happen, and we're going to use things that we already have laying around the house. But we need three things for this to work correctly. One, it has to be a carbon steel club. Can't be a stainless steel club. Two, it has to be raw. And if you don't know how to strip a club raw, there's a chapter in my book on how to do that, or I'll link to a video in the description where I stripped a Vokey wedge raw and then I made it into like a black oxide club. And third, has to be spotless clean. No oils, no fingerprints, must be clean. And one of the ways I do that is I just heat it up with a torch, and that pulls all the oil and moisture out of the pores of the metal, and then I just wipe it down with acetone. And then don't touch it. Don't touch it with your greasy hands. Use gloves. The recipe is super simple. It's hydrogen peroxide, white vinegar, and table salt. We're going to mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 1 part white vinegar, and just sprinkle in some salt. Next, we're going to stir it around until all the salt's dissolved. Just give it a swirl, and then pour it into a spray bottle. When we spray it in the club, it's going to happen instantly. Look at the color change. You can see it rusting immediately. Look at that. It's already starting to rust. And the more coats you give it, the darker it's going to get. You can accelerate this by heating it up with the torch. If you want to lock that in when it's warm, hit it with a little satin clear coat. So that's it, a forced rust Mizuno MP32. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, that really helps me out. And if you want to learn how to do this at home, check out my book and I'll walk you through how to do it step by step. Thanks a lot.